Okay, so we're going to continue with algebraic fractions. So make some notes. 1.2b. When you're ready, hit play again. We move on to the next example. Fractions. Adding, subtracting fractions must have common denominator. In this case, a third plus 3/4. Common denominator of 3 and 4 is 12, so we can say that's equal to got to multiply the bottom here by 4, multiply the top by 4, and multiply this by 3, multiply the top by 3. Whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. So we got 4 over 12 plus 9 over 12 equals 13 over 12. Simple. You've done it for years. So we're going to apply the same thing using letters algebraically. Second example, a over x plus b. So in this case, we've got a over x plus, now this is, we can call this b over 1, say. In order to have the same denominator, we've got to multiply that 1 by x. So we've got to multiply the numerator and denominator by x in this case. So we've got a over x plus bx over x. Same denominator, so that leaves us with a plus bx all over x. So we're always working to get to the same denominator. So make some notes. When you're ready, hit play again, move on to the next example. Example C, 3 over x plus 1 plus 4x over x squared minus 1. Now, we want to find the common denominator, x plus 1. We've got x squared minus 1 here. So, we're going to have to make it, we're going to have to expand these brackets to have a closer look. So, you've got 3 over x plus 1 plus 4x all over. Now, if we expand x squared minus 1, remember, difference of two squares, we end up with x plus 1, x minus 1. So in order to have the same denominator, we've got x plus 1 and x plus 1 here. We need to have that x minus 1 over here as well. So we multiply the top and bottom here by x minus 1. Didn't leave myself much room there. So it's basically 3 over x plus 1. Now, whatever we do to the numerator, x minus 1, do to the denominator. Let's put brackets around them, makes it neater. And we use a dot for times. Plus 4x over x plus 1, x minus 1. So now we've got a common denominator. We can add the numerators. So here I'm going to expand out first. 3 times x minus 1, so 3x minus 3 plus 4x all over x plus 1, x minus 1, which I can write as x squared minus 1 because if I expand it out. So that leaves me with 3x plus 4x, which is 7x minus 3 over x plus 1, x minus 1. So now time for some questions for you. And exercise 1C on page 8, 7 questions. Off you go, good luck.